chef's hat?
I love your chef's hat. That's really awesome.
Thank you.
Why are you wearing a chef's hat?
Today, we're gonna make shell tea. Shell tea.
Yeah, shell tea. But it's a facsimile. It's close enough to real shell tea. But it's actually made with stuff you can get in the store. Isn't that correct?
Yeah. Shell tea is good. You're gonna love it. Okay, first thing you want to do is have your mom and dad.
Yeah, have somebody, an adult, assist you. That's very important because we're going to be boiling water.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
Well, look at that. Right now, we have some water boiling. We took 2 cups of water.
Measuring cups.
Yeah, measuring cups of water. Poured them into that pot over there. And then we put it on a medium-high. See? Medium-high. Until it boils, which it's doing right now. Is it boiling?
Yeah. Oh, hot!
Yeah, I know it's hot. Fix your hat.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay, now we have our cups where we're going to put the tea in. We have our tea. Tell them about the tea.
Okay, what we're using today is the herbal tea sampler, okay, made by Celestial Seasonings, okay? It's an herbal tea sampler. It has chamomile, lemon zinger, peppermint, honey vanilla, chamomile, and sleepy time. What we're going to be using today is the honey vanilla, chamomile, and the sleepy time, okay?
Okay, that'll work, you think? Okay, what's it look like?
Oh, it's boiled. So what we're going to do is move it off the heat.
Off the heat. Be very careful with this. You can get burned really bad.
Now, I'm going to sit you down over here because I don't want you to get burned, okay?
Okay, safety first.
Now, you can find a recipe for this in the back of the Legend of Zierns, Keeper of the Sword. Now, this is the new book, the second printing of it, and it's on page 91 under Broody Recipes, okay? You have Broody Recipes there, and we have Broody Grits and shell tea. So we're making shell tea today, okay? So with that, it's also, if you have this book, which is the first printing of the Chives Wars, it's in the back on page 187. The ingredients, shell tea, and we have Chives recipes and Broody Grits, okay? Now, if you have the older first editions of the books, the recipes aren't in the back. I'm sorry about that. So, it's only in a new version of one, which is this one, not in the old version, okay? So, let's start. We have our sampler here. Oh, I'm not using the sleepy time herbal because it will put me to sleep, okay? Only use that if you're going to be going to bed soon, okay? So I'll put that one back. Oh, here it is. Chamomile honey, okay? Honey vanilla chamomile. I'm going to open this up very carefully. Take 2 of the tea bags out because we're making 2 cups. And we're going to be putting them into the boiled water. Da-da-da. So, I need a spoon. And remember, make sure you have your mom. We're going to let this sit a while so that the tea has time to set. And is it steep? Yeah, you have to let it steep, which means let the tea brew in the hot water. We'll go ahead and do that. while we're waiting, let's look at what I like to put into it. Now it calls for honey, regular honey that you can utilize. Okay? We have this beautiful golden honey. Makes it sweet.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, and we're going to put the honey in to make it sweet. Or, if you really like, you can go ahead and use, what is this, agave? Agave. That's not agave. Hold on. Yeah, it is. We like to use some agave stuff, which is really good. It's made from an agave plant. It's 100%. It's made from blue agave. So, want to use that. It's just same thing as honey. Very sweet. So, remember, 2 cups. Let's check out our tea, see how it's doing. Oh, it's looking pretty good, actually. Ooh, it's getting that nice golden brown color. Now, to speed things up, because we should let this sit for just quite a while, I'm going to go ahead and take one of the tea bags, put it in here. Another tea bag, put it in here. Ooh. Make sure it's not hot. And I'm going to pour, you can see the color's changed. It's like a yellow color. Pour it in here, and here. This way you have some nice tea to be drinking while you're reading your book. Now myself, like I said before, I like honey on mine. Ooh, gotta open it. Brand new. And I'm gonna take a teaspoon. Honey is very thick, very sweet. See that? Wow, that's good honey. So you're gonna take the honey. Ooh, see how thick that is? That's really thick. And I'm gonna put it, into the tea. Stir it around. That's really nice. Take the tea bag and keep taking it out and dipping it in. Let me taste it, see how it tastes. To die for. Tastes just like shell tea from the Land of Ack in the books. Wash my hands. Now, let's get back to, hold on.
Okay, let me check it out.
Okay, hold on, buddy.
What? Okay,
Very good. You good? Okay.
I'm good. So, my glasses. Anyway, that's how you make shell tea. Very good, very tasty. Can I taste some?
Sure you can. This is your glass right here. Try it. Okay.
There was no honey in it. I like honey in mine. Sometimes I like the agave.
Yeah, the blue agave. That's really good too.
Yeah. So try this, and remember, you're going to go to sleep, and it's early in the evening, add this. It adds a lot of flavor to it too. Okay?
That's caffeine-free sleepy time. It'll help you go to sleep. And they're called Celestial Tea Sampler, Herbal Tea, and the one you want to use is Honey Vanilla Chamomile. Now you can buy that separately in just a box at any Walmart, any store, Publix, they carry this. That's why we utilize it. So, and that's how you make shell tea. Thank you very much. And remember to share, subscribe if you haven't already, and go ahead and like the video. Hopefully you liked it. You liked it?
I liked it. I can't wait to eat grits. Ha! They're cheesy. Thank you.
Bye.